Welcome back, welcome back. Early bird gets the worm, gentlemen. It's 3 in the morning. If you wanna do certain things, I suggest you get up earlier. You see, I could have been sleeping right now. Shit, I should be sleeping right now. But after work, did a little workout, trying to get back on my workout routine again. I'm slowing up for a little bit. So I decided, let me keep that going since I've been doing actually good. I go home, get something to eat, end up just passing out. Craziness. That was around maybe like 5 or something. I don't even really remember. Somewhere in the afternoon or right before the nighttime. Anyway, I like doing that sometimes. Because then I wake up 2, 3 in the morning. Now, nobody likes to wake up 2, 3 in the morning. I know I don't. But I have to be up by 5 in the morning so I can get ready for work. I like to have at least an hour before I get ready for work. I suggest you do the same. Start planning your life. It makes things a little bit easier. Plus, like I said about that accomplishment thing, the little things you accomplish build your confidence. Been having a kind of a last bad couple of days, like emotionally, feeling like sad. I don't know if it's just me or, just one of those things about life that we got to deal with. And, it's just like anything else, like this future thing and trying to get your life together and you want to do this and you want to do that or whatever and things don't always work out. Get a little mad. Recently, I was dealing with this chick or whatever. Like I told you, I'm not giving up. I may not get a wife, may not have a long-term relationship, but the way I look at it, I'm already 40. The average black guy lives to 60, 70. So, at this point, does it even matter trying to be with a woman for life? I be telling niggas, 10 good years is all you need. And when you only got 10 good years left, it is what it is. Wow, I just spent like 10 minutes talking while this shit's on pause. Well, seeing that I said a lot, I'll just speed run through it. So recently I met this little chick, you know what I mean? Very inspiring. Got the 2 jobs, trying to start a business and shit. And it's just like weird how I keep running into these people. And she's like, yeah, like I could show you some things and all of this. And I'm like, oh, that's what's up. And she tells me she wants to learn about the Bible. And I'm like, wait up. You got skills I need. Things I want to know. And I got 20 years worth of Bible study. So I can really teach you. This is what I mean, gentlemen. Stop always looking to have sex or be with somebody. She's gorgeous. Young. And like any man, that's what you want to... You see it and you're like, oh, I gotta get that for myself. But nah, like I keep telling y'all, the Lord makes you meet certain women for you to help. Most women never see a good man. It's like, I keep telling you about raising your vibrations and all these other things. You could think I'm lying. You could think I'm playing. You could think this shit doesn't work. It works. Literally, and I'm not playing, like, August, I got my job. Before August, I had my surgery around like June or July. And I was fucked up. Lost my job, I ain't have nothing, living on a nigga floor. I ain't have nothing. I knew all these things I know I'm teaching your asses now. But when you're injured and your spirit's broken because people do you dirty or whatever the case may be, it makes you want to just give up and say, fuck that, I'm just going to just whatever. And then I said, nah, this is enough of that shit. I'm more than this. I'm better than this. There's no way I learned all of this stuff. There's no way I traveled to all those states, did all these things just to give up on myself. When I told and helped all these other people not give up when they was ready to give up. When dudes is junkies and chicks wanted to kill their babies, I was there. I fucking stopped them from doing that stupid shit. By telling them the truth about themselves and how important their life is, no matter how small you think you are. And I started taking my own words, taking my own advice, remembering all the old videos that I used to play for people that I found that helped me when I was broken. So I started to rebuild, started to build myself back up. It's not even a year later. It's like 8 months later. I was homeless. I was in a fucking shelter. I ain't got the greatest place, but I got my own shit now. I don't gotta smell piss. I don't be laying next to bums. Like, you people don't realize how important and special you really are if you just get the fuck up and believe in yourself and do things. Yeah, you might not be a millionaire. Yeah, you might not whatever, but you could be better off than where the fuck you are now. So pay attention to the videos and realize I'm doing this shit right now myself. I'm not telling you this is, oh, I'm better now. No, I'm doing it now. That's why I started making the fucking videos. That's why I'm showing my face. My last channels, I never showed my face. I never showed my body or nothing. Why? Because I didn't think it was important. Plus, you don't want to give your enemies a face. When you say things other people don't like, they like to attack. But seeing that I know I'm connected with the Lord now, I've always known, but I didn't know how much He really protects you. And I started thinking back on my whole life and how everything that ever came before me to hurt me, everyone that ever tried to do me dirty, the Lord dealt with them. And I didn't have to. So I show my face now because I don't care. Do what you gotta and deal with the Lord. Now, as I've been raising my vibration, like I keep telling yous, and listening to better music, constantly listening to motivational stuff, looking up philosophy and ancient laws and shit like that. Like, you want to like be an honorable man, actually learn about honorable men. Maybe you can, So as I raise my vibration, I end up running into an old childhood friend. And it was weird because I've always seen him like in the in crowd, you know what I mean? The white boys that are like doing their thing because their parents are well off already, and you're like, yeah, it is. His life is gonna be good. One of those kids. All these years go by, and now I'm in a new town or whatever, all Spanish. And I keep seeing this guy, and I ain't know it was him, so finally I go talk to him. Like, hey, bro, you used to live over there, right? He's like, yeah, it's me. I know who you are. I've been seeing you. And I'm like, oh, I didn't know if it was really you, so I didn't say nothing. So long story short, this man's life ended up the same like way as mine, growing up, learning, losing everything, changing your friends, realizing, you're all you really got. Because the Lord's calling you. You don't want to be wicked no more. It's like he keeps drawing people to me. So I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. And that's why I tell yous, I'm not playing. This is 100% the shit that I'm saying. And it's not a game. If you use the knowledge that I show you, you can better yourself. Maybe you don't want to. Most people really say they want better things, but they're not willing to do things. The little things. Early bird gets the worm. So get up early. When you go to work, do a little more work. Start making a plan. Even if it's this big. That's how plans start. You start small and then you add on. Seeing that I set my goal at just getting a decent job, finding somewhere to live, I accomplished that in 6 months. A goal before that was to learn how to walk again, build my body up, get my strength back. Like look at that. Nothing. I'm a skinny little guy. You see that muscle though? You see that little ass muscle? You see that? Huh? You see that? Imagine that entire, like where my muscle was, where you see the little lump. Imagine that completely gone. Where you literally squeeze a little bit and you could feel my bones. That's how fucking skinny I was. I was 113 pounds. Couldn't walk. So when you come up with your whack ass excuses about why you can't do something, just remember there's a black guy out there that couldn't read, taught himself how to read. Didn't have nothing, and built itself up to have things most people never get. Traveled to 4 different states. Not the greatest man, but you ain't gonna call me no fucking loser. And you damn sure ain't gonna say I'm a quitter. It's not about bragging, it's not about nothing. It's about letting you know you're worthy of doing shit too. You're worthy of getting better. You're worthy of anything you want to set your mind to and actually put in the work. Seeing that I set all those little goals or big goals or whatever you want to call them, and I got them in a year, I said I'm going to save money. And I need to reach a certain amount in a year. And I reached it. And now I'm going to use my money to do my music and have fun in life. But most of all, I'm going to try to start a business or something to make more money or something to make my channel better. It's time to man up. Take the pain, go hard, or go home. And some people don't have homes to go to. All love, all praise to the